Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how much to remodel a bathroom. Understanding the average cost is crucial for planning. A typical bathroom remodel can range from $5,000 for a minor update to over $75,000 for a luxury renovation. Several factors significantly impact this range, including the size of your bathroom, the quality of materials you choose, and the extent of structural changes. We'll break down these elements to help you set a realistic budget and achieve your dream bathroom without overspending. The scope of your project heavily influences the final cost. A minor refresh, perhaps updating fixtures and paint, might cost between $5,000 and $10,000. A mid-range renovation, involving new flooring, a vanity, and a shower, typically falls between $20,000 and $35,000. For an upscale remodel, with high-end materials and significant layout changes, you could easily exceed $75,000. Knowing these tiers helps you align your vision with your budget. Several key factors drive bathroom remodel costs. Material choices are paramount. Opting for high-end tiles or custom cabinetry will significantly increase expenses compared to standard options. Labor costs also vary widely based on your location and the complexity of the work required. Structural changes, such as moving plumbing lines or walls, add substantial costs due to increased labor and permits. Even fixture upgrades, like a new smart shower or a freestanding tub, contribute to the overall budget. To save money and maximize value, prioritize essential upgrades first. Consider tackling simpler tasks yourself, like painting or demolition, to reduce labor costs. Always obtain at least 3 detailed quotes from different contractors to compare pricing and services. Choosing durable, mid-range materials often provides the best balance of cost-effectiveness and longevity. Smart planning and careful decision-making can help you achieve a beautiful bathroom remodel without breaking the bank.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.